Right, okay. So first number is 0. That is nyoni. So the number you see just now, that is 0. The next number is 1. Okay. Next number is 2. Ga. Next number is 3. 3. 3. Okay. It's 4. Còig is 5. Sia is 6. Sia. Seach is 7. Seach. 7. Okay. Och is 8. Naoi is 9. Naoi. Okay. Deich is 10. And now let's quickly go over them again from 0. Okay. So nyoni. Yeah. Yeah. 3. Ceithir. Còig. Sia. Seach. Och. Naoi. Deich. Okay, so up to 20 is pretty easy. It's basically 1 and 10, 2 and 10. So let's look at 11 now. Un-deug. Un-deug. So 1 and 10. So un-deug. Okay. So next one is slightly different. Dhà-dheug. It's not dhà-dheug, it's dhà-dheug. So although it's DH in both words, so this one is actually G and this one is Y. So dhà-dheug. 2 is an interesting number in Gaelic because Gaelic only counts plural from 3, and 2 is not singular and not plural here. Okay. So that's why it's always going to be different from the rest. Okay. So, okay, well, the rest is all very simple. So, 3-deug. Ceithir-deug. Còig-deug. Sia-deug. Seach-deug.
Och-deug.
Och-deug. Naoi-deug. Okay, and then we are at 20. 20 is fichead. Fichead.
Fichead.
Fichead. Fichead. So 20 in Gaelic, as well as all other Celtic languages, is the minimum unit of counting. So unlike English, where 10 is minimum unit of counting, for most Celtic languages and even French, 20 is the minimum unit. Although since the start of Gaelic medium education, now when they started trying to do math in Gaelic with old system of counting, it was next to impossible. And that's why now they made different numbers. But the traditional system is based on 20. So what we do for 21, we basically just, it will be 1 and 20, 2 and 20, the 20 and 1. So fichead sahun, 20 and 1, fichead saga, 22, and that like this. So fichead naoi, 20 and 9. And for 30, the old system just does 20 and 10. Okay, well, add that 10 over 20. So, dhà-dheug, dhà-dheug, 10 over 20. And so unlike this, so 40 is 2 20s. Half 100 is 50. Half 100. So 3 20s, that's 60. 3 20s and 10, that's 70. So then 4 20s, that's 80. 4 20s and 10, that's 90. And then there's 100. Okay, there's a special word for 100. Okay, so that's, it seems to be quite complicated. At first, when I started learning it, I found it difficult. But after you have used to it, it just becomes natural, and it's not that difficult. And now, when I saw the system at school, it just kind of felt kind of wrong, you know. So, but anyway, so this is how it is. But children found it quite difficult to learn the old system. That's cool. But anyway,